Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to replace blower motor 2014 Nissan Rogue easy method. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Remove the glove box and lower dash panels to access the blower housing. Lay out parts in order and follow each step slowly, keeping track of screws and connectors to make reassembly quick and error-free. Begin removal by lowering the glove box and exposing the blower area, keeping screws in a small container. Unplug the blower motor connector and press any locking tabs gently to avoid breakage. Remove the 3 or 4 mounting bolts securing the motor, then support the motor while you extract it to prevent dust and debris from spilling into the HVAC housing. Test fit the new blower motor to confirm alignment and connector fit before final installation and avoid forcing parts. Securely fasten mounting bolts, then reconnect the electrical plug and reinstall the glove box and trim panels in reverse order. Reconnect the battery, run the fan through all speeds, and listen for wobble or unusual noise to ensure the job is complete and the HVAC system operates smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.